guys, welcome back to Paulette Christina. I'm so excited to have you with me. It has been a while, hasn't it? And I am just so excited that you're here supporting me, that you've been supporting me. Thank you so much. I love you, my friends, my family. It's the new year. There are so many things that can be holding us back, holding me back, and I'm just done with it. So come organize with me and decorate with me for Valentine's in these next 3 videos. Today I'm also going to be showing you, some people call it a command center, but to me that sounds so like militaristic. Is that a word? Militaristic? I don't know. It just sounds kind of weird to me. Come to the command center and, you know, see what kind of groceries we need for the week. I'm going to call it the home planning station. And so I have a board for chores, a board for a shopping list, and another board that can double as either like a calendar from Monday through Sunday, or, you know, I could write meals on there, like what everyone can expect to eat for dinner. So gonna be doing that. And I just want to share something with you that has been amazing. I have struggled most of my adult life with fatigue, joint pain, and because of that, procrastination, and then I feel discouraged, and then I'm unmotivated, and then I just feel like I just can't get things done. I mean, it's affected me so much. It's like a daily thing. And my joint pain will last for months, and then, you know, it'll go away, and then I'll be okay for a while. But anyways, I love coffee. And I found something that is a 2-ounce productivity shot called Magic Mind, okay? It is amazing. It's got nootropics inside, totally natural. Something that I learned is that caffeine actually doesn't give you energy. And so there's L-theanine in here. It's found in matcha, and it helps increase focus and attention, which is definitely something I need. But caffeine, what I'm finding is it blocks what's called the adenosine neuroreceptors in your brain. And those are the neuroreceptors that tell you that you're tired. When the receptors unblock, like 1 to 3 hours later, that's when you get your caffeine crash. The L-theanine in matcha prevents the full blocking of the receptors. So it gives you, you know, a lasting energy without a crash. So the first 3 days that I was taking this, oh my gosh, I actually noticed results right away. I was doing an art project for my son's school, and I took this that morning, and man, I mean, just getting into it about an hour later, I was just in the zone. It just helps you focus, reducing stress, anxiety, and helps you to get more out of that flow state. So when you're focused, it helps you really just get things done. So it's a really powerful 2-ounce little shot. You can put it in the refrigerator if you don't like that taste of matcha. It's got a slight little citrusy taste to it. There's a little bit of agave in it as well. You can It is so good. I love it. You can put it in your coffee. You can put it in a smoothie if you like. I am going to tell you right now, please try it. You're going to see my special discount code, Paulette Christina 20 in all caps. And I'm going to link it in the description box. Please try it out because you'll be able to get up to 56% off your first subscription for 10 days. And you get your money back. If you don't like it, you get 100% of your money back. So anyways, I wanted to mention it because it's been so helpful. It also has Bacopa monnieri, ashwagandha, and rhodiola rosea, and lion's mane and cordyceps mushrooms. So I've noticed such a difference in what I'm able to get done. I'm really excited about it. So there it is, Magic Mind. Don't forget to check it out. So let's get right into our video today. All right.
Live your life within the moment, and don't go wait until the morning. You never know when it is over. All that I know is we'll get older. So let us dance this night away. light the flickers. We get lost in the crowd, it's getting thicker. We get away from the drinks and chatter. Haven't said a word, but it doesn't matter. Feel the air get thinner. I'm standing in a blurry dream. No one else can see us. Live your life within the moment, moment. And don't go wait until the morning, morning. You never know when it is over, over. All that I know is we'll get older, older. So let us dance this night away. Feel the air get thinner. I'm standing in a blurry dream. No one else can see us. So let us dance this night away.
Hi guys, don't forget to check out Magic Mind. The link is in the description box below with my unique discount code, Paulette Christina 20 in all caps. I hope that you get to try it out and please let me know how it goes. Take care and looking forward to connecting with you in the next one. Bye-bye.